for any long time bits and pieces listeners, viewers,
It has been a long time since there has been a listener of bits and pieces. Right? We need to put out episode for that.
TV umpire to director, we have a player review. Can we rock and roll, please?
Hello and welcome to Bits and Pieces, the podcast that used to be regular, friendly, and had things like intros. Much like one explosive wicketkeeper batsman who used to open for India last series. But he's not played today, as has the rest of India have also not played today. So to record everything that's been happening in the T20 World Cup and one cursed stadium, this is Tony. And joining me are Prashant and Iman. Iman, what's happening? World Cup में क्या चल रहा है?
क्या चल रहा? I actually like that tweet where I think Nitin Sundar sent it, where somebody is telling by Donald Trump there is a lot of oil, underneath this Narendra Modi Stadium. जाके खोद डाल. I think that's really what we feel. पता नहीं
Is the final also scheduled there?
Of course it will be there.
of course, unless Pakistan make it.
This is what we are pinning our hopes on.
Exactly.
So we can beat them.
So this guy Babu Bislari actually put this out saying, and he also put out a really nice Google Maps ka image pointing Mr. Trump to exactly the location where he should be khodoing to find out oil. So I think that really sums up today's match.
PDB, what have you made of it so far?
No, so this was the result that the tournament needed. This is the result that I think world cricket also needed.
Wow.
No, for sure. For sure,
Okay.
man. I mean, if you look at what's been happening, all of the stuff that postmodernists are scared about, right? The concentration of wealth, power, and the corruption of the world as a result of that is being evidenced by what is happening in world cricket today, right? So you can't just dismiss postmodernists as being crazy. I mean, there's actually a live case study happening in front of you where you have the concentration of power, wealth, and influence all in the hands of just one person, and the mayhem that is resulting as the outcome of that. So it is glorious. It is glorious. This result is glorious from that point of view. That
Wow.
yeah, no, for sure. Like I was rooting for South Africa today, man. What? Like Iman and I think, yeah.
No, I got scolded by somebody. I started off supporting South Africa, but I got scolded midway by somebody. Somebody pinged me.
Is it Mr.
DM
Mohan?
Mr. Mohan. Mr. Mohan, the assistant vice chancellor of RMIT University.
Galgotia. Sorry.
Somebody who is doing Galgotia. He pinged me, hey, you cannot support South Africa. How can you do this? So midway I had to change my plans. But I was supporting South Africa. I still am. And I'm actually very happy that this happened. I am on Prashant's camp.
Okay. My God. Okay. This is like PDP before recording. I was like, wait, which podcast is this? Because it's been that long since we recorded an episode. But nicely full post-modernist and all these angles you've given it. So what is it? Politics is downstream of culture and cricket is downstream of politics. And today the stream only is down whenever we go to Narendra Modi Stadium.
No,
So,
but also
we put out our last episode on 2nd February. So for archivists who stumble upon this podcast years later, we've just recorded after India's Super 8's defeat to South Africa on 22nd Feb 2026. Yeah.
Glorious
PDP.
defeat.
Exactly. So
glorious defeat.
Tony is being very kind when he is describing it as a defeat. It was the ass whooping of a century. Okay. Like, you lost by 76 runs. Like you're just calling it a defeat. It's a rout, man. It was a rout. Absolute rout.
Do you think this is like strategic loss because now we know what it is like to lose at Narendra Modi Stadium. So we won't do that in the final. I think they've just got one out of the way. This one is for Ganpati.
Oh, that way. हाँ, हो सकता है.
No, but
नहीं तो
I will flip Robro's comment and say that 12 साल में एक बार you are allowed to win at Narendra Modi Stadium. Like, I mean, it should be like,
ओहो यार क्या हो रहा है?
Important
बेचारा.
question here: Did South Africa win this match or India lose it? Like,
Oh,
what happened?
Yeah. So to the extent where I don't know if you guys watch this part of the match where when the last session was about to start in spring around after the 14th over. So Gautam Gambhir came on the ground and he was chatting with Pandya and Dubey. Pandya and
Yeah.
Dubey. And India needed some insane level, 16-17 runs and overtimes. गौतम गंभीर आके ऐसा बोला बढ़िया चल रहा तो काफी अजीब सा लगा. मतलब ठीक है, मतलब एनालिसिस थोड़ा करे कि व्हाट इज रियली हैपनिंग, क्या सोच रहा है वो आदमी. आई थिंक टोनी इज राइट कि यार वो एक गणपति को देने के मूड में आ गया था. किसी ने उसको बोला होगा कि लेफ्ट हैंड राइट एक गणपति के हाथ में दे दो तो फिर तुम ना फाइनल्स में जीत जाओगे. क्योंकि वो तो आके बोल रहा है गाइस बहुत बढ़िया ऐसा किया. एंड देन वो फिर वापस गया वही सेम ओवर पे दोनों हार्दिक और हार्दिक आउट हो गया. फिर वो आया अपना रिंकू सिंह, वो भी आउट हो गया. मतलब गणपति को लिटरली दे के चला गया वो.
three wicket over.
हाँ, और फ्री हैंड में वो
केशव महाराज है.
केशव महाराज को 3 विकेट देके सेम आदमी के पास क्रिस्टल स्टफ्स को कैच दिया और चला गया. तो मुझे लगता है कि पहली बारी ऐसा you remember that India versus England match, the T20 World Cup semi-final था ना वो. हाँ, where India was absolutely clueless. This was 2023. जहाँ पे India basically lost India played badly for the entire 40 overs. कि मतलब कहीं पे भी एक भी बॉल मैं ठीक नहीं खेलूंगा. ये बहुत सिमिलर सा था कि India starting to chase around 185 or so, gave up after the first over itself कि अब नहीं हो सकता कि 19 overs उसमें ऐसे ही खेलूंगा, चिल करूंगा क्योंकि मेरा हो चुका है, मैं हार गया हूँ. Because there was just you should have seen how well South Africa bowled and how much our batsmen were struggling. They literally struggled. Like there is not one convincing stroke they could play, not one. It is that bad. कि लुंगी इंगिडी आया, उसने बोला मैं स्लोअर बॉल करूंगा, मैं सारा बॉल स्लोअर करूंगा. इसमें कोई आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू ट्रिक यू इनटू कि कभी स्लो कभी फास्ट, ऐसा भी नहीं करूंगा. मैं स्लो करूंगा और तुम मार नहीं पाओगे.
Oh, this is Venkatesh Prasad.
Venkatesh Prasad of earlier days, correct, of modern times, correct. तो वो आके स्लोअर बॉल किया. इंडिया जस्ट couldn't, एक नहीं मार पाया भाई, कुछ नहीं कर पाया. They couldn't do anything. The moment a batsman tried to take a hit, आउट हो जाता था. Like सेकंड भी हिट तक नहीं पहुंच पा रहा था. नाइस गेम. तो गौतम गंभीर का अच्छा लगा मेरे को. वो आके बोला कि बॉस सब बढ़िया चल रहा है, ये बहुत ही बढ़िया है, इसको चलने दो, ऐसे चलने दो. वो चला गया फिर वापस.
This is the plan, guys. This is the plan.
Yeah.
This is not
No.
an anomaly. But I think the
Correct.
only thing counter to this, Iman, you
Mm.
said you started off supporting South Africa and then changed track midway through. I think Gambhir
Had to.
started
I had.
supporting India and
Mm.
then switched midway through. Because if India was actually planning on losing this match, PDP, why didn't Kuldeep Yadav play?
No, wait. I'm coming to you. I knew you'd bring this up, fucker. Wait. So this was the game where they called Varun Chakravarti's bluff. Okay, and Varun Chakravarti's bluff is basically that he spins the ball. Okay, he doesn't. Okay. And they basically took him on and walloped him. Right now, this is where it seems ridiculous to even say this, but this is why it is so important for the spinner to actually spin the damn ball. Because all it would have taken was for him to turn 2 or 3 balls and put some doubt into their mind, right? But instead, he didn't have that. So he was trying to change his angle, and in doing so, he was going wide. He was trying to avoid their swing. and
Yeah.
that's why he had a poor day. If you
Yeah.
had a wrist spinner who actually could turn the ball, this would have been a different game. Okay,
Mm,
but
yeah.
leaving that aside, I think India probably misread the conditions because I think on both sides the fast bowlers bowled better than the spinners. Keshav Maharaj bowled very well, but given the fact that by the time he came on to bowl, India were already under so much of scoreboard pressure. But
Mm.
generally, if you look at this game on both sides, on this wicket, it looked like the fast
Yeah.
bowlers did a really good job. And I think
The fast
India,
bowlers who could change the every time Rabada went pace on, he was hit.
correct.
So yeah, so it was a lot like the Chennai pitch which we get to see, right? Which is pace off and you
The
bowl, right?
old Chennai pitch, yeah. The
Yeah,
old
old
one.
Chennai pitch.
So,
But
so we
even in that-
discussed spinners and fast bowlers. What category are Hardik Pandya and Shivam Dube in?
Oh, they're different. They're in a different category.
अच्छा ठीक है. Which-
They're in a very
which is-
different category. Hardik Pandya को बोला गया. Hardik Pandya, second ball of the last over, he bowled a beautiful Yorker. They took a double ले लिया उसने, मतलब चलो ठीक है. And then the next next 4 balls, he bowls short leg side, gets hammered for sixes. Didn't change. And he's such a great guy कि वो no look sixes खा रहा था. कि वो देख भी नहीं रहा छक्का कहाँ कितना दूर जा रहा है. Last over में no look कि उसने बॉल डाला, फिर से चस्टन सब छक्का मारा, फिर no look चला गया वापस, फिर बॉल डाला, फिर छक्का मारा उसको, फिर वो no look बॉल को दिखा नहीं, जाके सीधा अंपायर के हाथ से कैप लिया और निकल गया वो अपने गाड़ी को ऐसे करते हुए. तो अभी तक लोगों को लग रहा था कि no look हार्दिक पांड्या इज अ फीचर. वो फीचर नहीं है, बग है भाई लोग. तो no look वाला वो फीचर नहीं है, वो बग है.
So
Hardik Pandya
someone
का
should
no look
remind
था.
him. Maybe sometimes you should look. You can.
हाँ, कुछ
You are
कभी-कभी
allowed to.
देखना भी होता है. अंधे पिच को देख, अंधे कैसे बॉलिंग करना होता है उसको देख, बैट्समैन को देख, कहाँ बैट्समैन खड़ा है, कहाँ फील्डर्स है तेरे, अंधे. ऐसे नहीं होता कि बस मैं नो लुक हूँ, मेरे पास तो है कुछ करोड़ों का घड़ी, मैं पहन के बॉल कर दूंगा. एंड द सेम, बाय द वे, हार्दिक पांड्या को अच्छा लगा मेरे को देख के, लेकिन वो मुझे somehow I have this sadistic pleasure when I see Hardik Pandya get whacked around. क्योंकि उसको लगता है कि वो बहुत बढ़िया बॉलर है. He thinks he's a great bowler, but he's
Yeah.
not. He's like, I think Shivam Dube is a better bowler than Hardik Pandya in current status, and it says a lot about Hardik, right?
Yeah.
तो उसका थोड़ा सा घमंड तो टूटना चाहिए. तो टूटा है,
Yeah.
मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा सा. पिला
Yeah.
तो है वो अच्छा से.
But I'm actually, I mean, I'm actually interested to see how Varun Chakravarti comes back from this because it took a real hammering today. Like, absolute hammering.
PDP has only one agenda.
No, I don't have an agenda, man. No, so the reason I'm saying this is that it took a while for Kuldeep to recover from the 2019 hammering he got from England. So it will be interesting to see how he bounces back from this, what he changes tactically, and to see how he goes in the next game. But
Yes,
it was
he has an advantage, by the way. Advantage is next match we are playing in Chennai
Chepak.
and against
Yeah.
Zimbabwe.
Against Zimbabwe.
And Zimbabwe. तो उसको advantage है क्योंकि उसका एक भी, because see whatever said and done, even if his ball doesn't spin always, just that his lengths are very difficult to hit. Today he was, I think the moment he got under a little bit of pressure, उसका length उड़ गया. तो length उड़ते ही he got hammered like no one's business. Like तो
Yeah.
I think उसको मौका मिल जाएगा. He'll come back चेपॉक में. जो कुलदीप was unfortunate यार, वो इंग्लैंड में पिला, फिर इंग्लैंड में ही रह गया ना, मतलब इंडिया में फिर मौका नहीं दिया उसको.
Yeah.
तो it was unfortunate on him.
yeah.
Yeah. Let's pan out a little bit and look at the World Cup in its entirety because one, I haven't seen any of the matches. Time zone be damned. But the other thing is the last episode we put out was on 2nd February. In the interim, I feel like several upsets were, threatening to
Acha,
happen.
in
then
the
many
interim,
did.
India-Pakistan happened. Okay. And we forgot about it. Like,
Correct.
yeah,
I slept through.
I know. It was such a shit game, man. Like, it was so bad.
I woke up for the wrong one-sided game. So on that point, explain to me this, because when someone asked me why are the Super 8s pre-seeded, because now all 4 teams in one group are the ones that finished first in their group, and all 4 teams and the other ones who finished second. I assume normally it is because they want to play one more India Pak game, right? They would have fixed it in the Super 8.
बस वही है
However,
वही है
no, but it's not. No,
It's not
Pakistan is in the other group.
correct. Pakistan
What
is the
is
other group.
happening?
हाँ
The
नहीं
idea is
सेमीफाइनल्स में आएगा
semi-final.
इंडिया
Ah,
पाकिस्तान सेमीफाइनल वही है आइडिया
that
ये
is-
why
वन
not
क्लासेस
final?
कोटा
Oh, if
ये
it's
नहीं
final, then it can't be played in Ahmedabad. Oh,
हाँ.
4D chess. Okay.
दादा सब चाहिए देखो इंडिया पाकिस्तान एकदम कॉन्सिक्वेंशियल मैच होना है
हाँ,
तो इसलिए सेमीफाइनल सुपर 8 में क्या है ना हार भी गया पाकिस्तान तो इंडिया ऐसा नहीं है कि
अच्छा.
यू नो दे नॉट बी आउट ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट राइट बट
Oh,
it has to be a
okay.
consequential match and high stakes lot of money Pakistan will again lose
Hmm.
because
Mhm.
you know Pakistan to India is equal to India to South Africa in today's match right
No,
so South
that's
Africa India Pakistan ऐसा हो गया है in
no,
the
no.
order.
The margins are very similar, Iman. You're
वही
not
है
far off. Yeah, the margins are
वही है
very similar.
वही
Yeah,
है
they got hammered.
तो India Pakistan match also Pakistan got hammered like how India got hammered to South Africa तो अभी तुम सेमीफाइनल में करोगे तो थोड़ा सा पैसे बनेंगे फाइनल में नहीं कर सकते फिर मोदी जी का स्टेडियम में कैसे होगा तो फिर चारों तरफ से 3D चेस करके ये बंसल क्लासेस का कोटा वाला सिस्टम लगा दिया कि बेटा जो अच्छा खेले ना वो एक ग्रुप में वो उनको अच्छा टीचर जो गंदा खेला है वो एक और ग्रुप में तो वो डिवीजन हो गया वो थोड़ा सा वो रेसिज्म करके हमने काट दिया हट साला पीछे हो जा और ऊपर वाले ऊपर आ जाओ तुम लोग को मिलेगा अच्छा प्लेट में और इन लोग को पत्ते वाले प्लेट में मिलेगा तुम लोग अलग पेपर प्लेट्स वर्सेस स्टील प्लेट्स
Achha, but is this true? Like, is the semi-finals also preceded, or we are assuming that India will top the
Preceded है,
group and
India-
Pak will be second?
इंडिया आज हार गया पाकिस्तान के साथ खेलेगा मुझे लग रहा है पाकिस्तान वहां जीत
अच्छा।
जाएगा बता रहा हूँ क्यों आज श्रीलंका हार गया पाकिस्तान को फ्री का पॉइंट भी मिल गया न्यूजीलैंड से पाकिस्तान इंग्लैंड को ड्रॉप कर देगा बस पाकिस्तान नंबर 1 तो नंबर 1 अगेंस्ट नंबर 2 तो पाकिस्तान इंडिया खेल
Yeah.
लिया
Hmm.
बस एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग एज पर प्लान
Nice, nice.
तभी गौतम गंभीर कर रहा है बहुत बढ़िया यार बहुत बढ़िया हार्दिक बहुत बढ़िया शिवम दुबे बहुत बढ़िया ओए क्या बात है 16 रन मारना है कोई बात नहीं बहुत बढ़िया
Oh man. So this is India's first loss in an ICC limited overs event after Australia, right? After
India's first loss was when they dropped Sanju Samson. That was first loss.
Come down. You come.
Come there.
Talk about this. TDP, let's all minimize our windows. Let Iman take over. And
Yeah.
speak for 5 minutes about this. This is the
No, no.
podcast.
No, so with Sanju, we spoke, right? When PDP and I were there in the last podcast, last podcast, where we told you Sanju का time up हो गया, कुलदीप का time up हो गया. Now we have brought them back again. क्योंकि किशान का time up हो गया. किशान का time up हो गया. वरुण चक्रवर्ती का time up हो गया. तिलक वर्मा का time मुझे लग रहा है सही में up होगी जो हो चुका है. मुश्किल है उसका. But हाँ. It's difficult, guys.
Testicular torsion is not
No,
easy
but
to recover
but
from.
yeah, but
Not easy.
But the difference actually in the India Pakistan game was the difference was actually Ishan Kishan, because if he had gotten out early, right? I mean, you're looking at a 140-150 game in that case,
Yes.
and that would have been a very, very different kind of contest completely. So I mean, getting to 175-180, that essentially that was the impact that Ishan Kishan had on that game. So I'm saying that game was not as one-sided as the scorecard may suggest, but this game absolutely was. India South Africa
This
was.
game maybe, by the way, if Miller had not played, it would not have been this one-sided. So Miller played the Ishan Kishan role in this game.
No, Devol Brevis also batted well. I mean, they were at least two. There was a period of play where they were hammering. I mean, they played exceptionally well, both of them.
Miller ने बहुत मारा यार.
Yeah,
Devon
yeah,
Davis was not able to hit. Miller at 24-3 से आके he literally took the match away.
Yeah.
Like one more wicket and South Africa would have been like 120-ish. हो
Yeah,
गया था उनका.
Yeah.
Of course, unless of course you have Hardik Pandya bowling no look deliveries. अब तो यार 120 कैसे होगा यार? Come on, नहीं हो पाएगा ना. मुश्किल है यार.
So, am I correct in saying India has played 5 matches so far this ICC World Cup, and
You're
only
correct, you are
once
correct.
has only once have both of their openers got off the mark? You want to guess which
Yes.
match this was in?
This is the game which Sanju Samson play.
Okay.
Highest strike rate in the tournament.
Yeah.
Second. This is going to be key piece of trivia. Which Indian batter has the highest strike rate in the ICC World Cup so far?
But guys, we have to talk
Season.
about Zimbabwe a little bit, man. They've been amazing. They've been absolutely
Talk.
amazing. And it'll
You,
just
you
be-
want calendar invite for this?
Pura bolo. Tony Pura bolo. You want calendar invite? Pura.
बोलना बेचो.
Bol, yeah, 24.
No, I'm just saying that I thought the Australia game may have been a bit of a fluke, but then that game against Sri Lanka, oh my God. I mean, it'll just be, maybe I'm asking for too much, but if they could beat India at Chennai.
Chennai.
Boss,
Oh.
बहुत ज़्यादा chances है. I'm telling you how.
Oh my God.
Then they have 2 to 3 good spinners. Good. खराब नहीं है. उनका ball अच्छा होता है. And all their pacers have really good slower balls. Really good.
Ah.
Right? And मतलब pacers, medium pacers जो Buzzer Bunny is the only pacer, but बाकी सब
Yeah.
dilly-dally कर रहा है. And their batting fires. ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं है. Like their batting is good. People do take responsibility in their batting order. ऐसा random नहीं है कि बस आपकी bat को मारा है. So there is a legit chance in Sepok because it suits their game, by the way. I would love it if Zimbabwe कर दे India का तो.
Yeah.
So India are actually in a precarious position now, right?
Yes.
And they have to win both their games.
And hope South Africa also wins both their games.
Oh, otherwise net run rate will happen.
Ah.
Yes. Net
And
100
South
आएगा फिर India से
Africa-
मरेगा.
South Africa, extremely predictable team, lost to Afghanistan 3 times in the match that they won against Afghanistan. So yeah,
Correct.
all,
By the way, Zimbabwe
all bets are
can
off.
beat South Africa. Zimbabwe can.
Mm. Nice.
South Africa
Mika,
is
you
starting
tell me
second.
what Zimbabwe cannot do, da. Like they can beat India, they can beat South Africa, they can go all the way.
They're
That-
allowed to.
Yeah,
Permission,
they're-
yeah, it's okay. So, are we saying Zimbabwe and West Indies go through from this group? This has suddenly become group of death.
South Africa and Zimbabwe should go through.
Acha. Okay. Why are we writing West Indies off?
ऐसे ही मन किया हुआ जिम्बाब्वे को सपोर्ट करने का.
ठीक है. This is
No.
as good a reason as any.
No, so the
मतलब मन
history.
किया यार.
No. No, but for the benefit of, no, actually not for the benefit, for any long time bits and pieces listeners, viewers, you will know that Iman Pandey has very little time
It
for
has
West
been a
Indies.
long time since there has been a listener of bits and pieces. Right? We had to put out episode for that.
No, Iman Pandey has no time for nostalgia-based West Indies, sentimentalism.
Lazy. I just don't like those nonsense guys. Yeah.
So,
Hmm.
If nostalgia, I might as well think of Zimbabwe.
Right.
90s nostalgia ले आऊंगा मैं.
Guys, I understand, like, why I am not talking about New Zealand, but why is no one mentioning this team? Are they still playing like in the Super 8s? Like, how
So
has
New
it
Zealand-
had-
New Zealand had a chance. New Zealand had a chance in their first match where they would have defeated Pakistan. Like they could have. पर वो वॉश आउट हो गया.
तो कुदरत का निजाम.
कुदरत का निजाम हो गया उसका बयान में भी हुआ था. अभी क्या है, अभी न्यूजीलैंड हैज टू फेस इंग्लैंड. वहां पे यार पता नहीं मेरे को, क्योंकि दोनों ही टट्टी टीम है, तो यू डोंट नो हू विल
But what if England hold back, Iman? Have you
Oh, they-
considered this possibility?
यस दे कैन होल्ड
shit,
बैक.
man.
वो हो
What
सकता है.
happened
But they
today,
all-
man? Fucking Will Jacks.
बताओ यार.
Will Jacks channel Saklan Mushtaq today, man. Took some 3 wickets.
सही में.
4
So
overs.
they defeated.
They thrashed Sri Lanka.
Niamais.
Yeah.
Now
I-
Niamais will thrash New Zealand. तो बेचारा न्यूजीलैंड पिल जाएगा. The sheep shaggers are gone. हो गया. वो निकल गया वहां से. साइड से हो गया. Niamai thrash कर
You
देगा.
know
उन
what?
लोगों को.
I'll be happy if that happens for long time listeners of Bits and Pieces.
Yeah. So sheep saggers are out. Yeah, sheep saggers are out.
No,
बाकी
so
देखते हैं.
so okay. So at this point in time, basically every team has a reasonable chance, right? Like there's
Ah.
no clear favorites right now.
Hence, I told
Ah.
you this is the result that this tournament needed.
Oh, like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
ओ
right,
भाई
okay.
ये तो
Bring it
एकदम
back, man.
हर्षब. ये पीडीपी क्रिकेटिंग व्यू है क्या? इस पीडीपी का रियल क्रिकेटिंग व्यू मुझे मतलब लग रहा था साला वो पीजी के है. ये मुझे डाउट सा हो रहा है यार, क्रिकेटिंग व्यू पीजी के है कि पीडीपी है?
Oh,
so
boy.
so PDP. Now put it in context. Tell.
What?
You were saying India were running away with it.
Yeah, I mean they looked so strong. They looked like there was no weakness at all to the side, and all it took
Except
was
for bowling.
Huh? No, they looked good, man. Like which game did they bowl badly? they
I don't
they
know.
were good. I mean they were good in every single game. They looked invincible, and all it took was an attack to their key spinner, and suddenly everything looks different. Because in this game, Bumrah bowled well, Ashdeep bowled well. The guy who was taken apart was, the whatever number one rated bowler, T20 bowler in the world or whatever. I don't know. I think he's like the top rated T20 bowler in the world. He was taken apart. So
Who's that?
Varun Chakravarti. Da.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
are rating.
No, da. I think he's like among the top 3 or top 5 in the world right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, is
So
that
like Matt Renshaw is like T20 batter now and stuff like that.
No.
Okay. Tell.
So I'm just saying that all it took was for that to happen, and suddenly,
Yeah. But
it looks.
I mean, basically, we played 4 matches against Namibia, Netherlands, Pakistan, and whoever else, right? So, who was the 4th team? What is the first match?
First game was against Netherlands, no? No, first game
No.
was against USA.
USA. Right.
USA. No.
So, this is the first real strong opposition India has faced anyway in this World Cup.
I mean, I love how you're dissing Pakistan there, but sure. The first real strong opposition.
नहीं, but honestly speaking, अगर तुमको मैं पूछूं, like mathematically, अगर आज भी you ask any Indian supporter, any Indian supporter who understands a little bit of cricket, not like Nikhil Sundar, तो if you ask them कि यार इंडिया पाकिस्तान को खेलेगा versus इंडिया जिम्बाब्वे को खेलेगा, you will realize कि
Pakistan.
Pakistan, for sure.
Dil
sure.
Pakistan.
Yeah.
पाकिस्तान उसको करो क्योंकि वो रैंडम कर देगा. पाकिस्तान को मानो 20 बॉल्स में कुछ 15 रन चाहिए, पाकिस्तान वहां से भी हार जाएगा, जानबूझ के हार जाएगा, ऐसे ही हार गया. कुदरत के निजाम बयान में जीते थे, मैच में जीतेंगे.
No look loss.
नो लुक लॉस, वो बिना देख के हार जाएगा. सही बात है, नो लुक लॉस. वो हार्दिक पांड्या का भाई है. तो हाँ, मतलब आई थिंक पाकिस्तान को तो नहीं पकड़ सकते. तो इंडिया का पहला मैच विद अ लेजिट ओपोनेंट, सारी हेकड़ी निकल गई इसकी, सारी खत्म हो गया.
Yeah.
अच्छा लगा.
So India is playing Zimbabwe in Chennai and West Indies where?
Zimbabwe, India versus
Is it
West
Wankhede?
Indies.
No.
Kolkata.
Oh,
okay.
gone. उधर वेस्ट इंडीज इतना पेलेगा बेटा, देखना.
No, but why do you say that? Why do you say that specifically to Kolkata?
कोलकाता छोटा ग्राउंड है ना, स्मॉल ग्राउंड, लॉट ऑफ सिक्सेस गेट हिट, एंड वेस्ट इंडीज बस सारा बॉल ऊपर उठा मारेगा. बैक
ठीक
फुट
है.
पे लिफ्ट कर देगा बॉल, छक्का. You need big
All right.
grounds to control these West Indies hitters. You need really big grounds. Like you need unfortunately, but you need grounds like Sri Narendra Modi Stadium.
No, the funny thing is that through this tournament, I don't know if you guys have been following, but Hardik Pandya has been whining about the pitches that India is rolling out for India games.
India.
Yeah. Saying that they're not flat enough.
How is he even analyzing any of this? No look bowler to कैसे pitch analyze कर रहा है वो ऐसा? How is he even analyzing any of this? It's very surprising, yeah. Come on.
No,
Very
so
surprising. Hardik
yeah,
doesn't augur well to your personality. No look bowler हो यार तुम.
So he's been talking about how the wickets are not flat enough, how they want, higher scoring surfaces or whatever. But
Yeah, they're flattering to deceive, not
They are flat
flatter.
to see.
Mm.
Exactly. Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah. So, but
And-
like, what's been the general take? Like, I don't think there have been too many high-scoring games, right, in this World Cup.
No, I mean,
No, they're
they're not high scoring by like last IPL standards, for example. So there are no 240, 250 kind of games, but I
Correct.
mean, 180, 200 is, I mean, I don't know where you would classify that.
Okay.
We've
Saying
not,
this only, Australia came into this World Cup and lost very badly.
yeah.
What is up with that team? Like
With-
they have basically 3 bowlers in that country. That's it. Like if Hazelwood, Cummins, and Stark don't play, then gone.
No. So basically, Australia are just fed up, I think, because they're like, fuckers, when we win the World Cup and come, nobody cares. Like, so the watchers, we were not even going to show up this time. Fuck off.
No place in trophy cabinet. Okay, this problem.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I agree.
I mean, they warmed up for this tournament by losing to Pakistan in Pakistan. So,
Yeah, true.
yeah.
So, how have England and Sri Lanka been doing?
So Sri Lanka is actually like Pakistan of the 90s. Okay, they've been brilliant one day and shit the next day. So they've that whole Pakistan is mercurial trope. I don't think holds good for Pakistan anymore. I think they're generally shit. You know, Pakistan are the new Sri Lanka. I mean,
once in
I mean,
12
Sri Lanka is the
matches
new
you can
Pakistan.
win also. Okay.
Huh?
with that.
Pakistan are the new Sri Lanka.
no. Sri Lanka are the
Pehले
new
बेचारा.
Pakistan. No, Sri Lanka are the
improve
new.
हो गया Pakistan.
Yeah, Sri Lanka are the new
Okay.
Pakistan.
Mm.
Say more.
Yeah. No, I mean, so there was that game where I think Nisanka scored this amazing century.
Yeah.
It's Australia, no?
Against
Australia
Australia. Yeah, against Australia. And that same team somehow managed to collapse today against England with Will Jacks bowling off spin. I mean, I can't get over that. I mean,
Chasing
seriously.
140.
Chasing 146. Okay.
Hmm.
I don't know how they managed to screw up that chase, and they're playing at home, right? So I mean, generally known to play well in their conditions, but yeah, today was pretty disastrous for them. Jofra Archer bowled well; it was good to watch, but Will Jacks bowling 4 overs, 3 for 22 is too much.
Correct. ज़्यादा ही हो गया वो. But then जबकि the pitch was like tailor made for Sri Lanka to just.
Exactly.
क्या ही करना था? कुछ नहीं करना था उनको यार. Single double क्या game था?
Exactly. No,
मतलब
basically it was like a perfect, Virat Kohli kind of innings will win you the game.
Correct.
You know?
Correct.
Exactly.
And Pathum Nisanka is meant for playing such innings. Like,
Yeah.
मतलब
Virat Kohli.
tuk 120
My
cycling.
God. What casual abuse. Okay. We've normalized this now. Is that
Virat Kohli type innings.
stat someone put out, no? That India have only chased 180 plus 3 times something, and all 3
Oh.
times Virat Kohli was not out or something like
Yeah.
that. So please, can we put some respect on the name? What is this? Virat Kohli type innings.
Oh, that also means Indian bowlers are bowling well.
Machan, that just FYI, that game where Ashwin let that wide go down the leg side, that MCG game. How much do you think India was chasing? They were barely chasing 160. Okay,
Right.
they were not. Yeah,
That is
they were-
MCG.
whatever. Like I'm saying that is his zone. Like you can never. Yeah, that's his zone. 150, 160, he will win you the game. Eyes
Okay.
closed,
Hmm.
no look.
So you should have been there for this World Cup.
Of course. Of course.
Huh.
So,
So-
guys, I went to the Afghanistan Canada game, and I'm so glad I went. It was so
Oh,
much fun.
nice.
Yeah, at Chepa.
Curling or
No, it's actually a lovely evening. We've been having unusually pleasant February here in Chennai. February is when it normally starts getting nasty. It's been unusually pleasant, very enjoyable, and tickets were very reasonably priced. So I got some really good seats and got to watch Mohammad Nabi take 4 wickets
nice.
against Canada. It was so much fun. The interesting thing was that I think the guys were selling jerseys outside the stadium. I don't think they estimated properly the demand for Afghanistan jerseys, right? Because the Afghanistan jerseys were sold out like in minutes, like
Oh,
like the
That's
and what is
nice.
left is like the usual 18 and 45 and that nonsense. But it was lovely. It was what?
PDB very subtly telling us how the crowd in Chennai are knowledgeable.
No,
But
da
the
fool.
sellers of these jerseys
Se-
who come from North India Correct.
Poda.
who want to push 18 and 45. Whereas we well read for. But PDB, one question to you. Now, where is Kuldeep Yadav's ranking in the overall spinner tally? So above him is all Indian spinners, then Will Jacks, then Mohammad Nabi, then so many others. If you made a team of 11 spinners, would Kuldeep Yadav find a place?
He will, he will. If the qualification is that your spinners should turn the fucking ball, he will be captain of that team. Okay.
T20 में
This is different sport. This is how curling got invented.
ये तो कर्लिंग है हाँ वो कर्लिंग में खेलना पड़ेगा T20 में तो नहीं हो पाएगा कुलदीप बेचारा.
No, but it was lovely to watch Mohammad Nabi because, as I was mentioning on the group a couple of days back, he's probably the only specialist right arm off spinner playing T20s in the world right now. Can you think of anyone else? I mean, Will Jackson.
Sundar.
I mean, he doesn't play regularly, right? I mean, Mohammad Nabi starts every game for Afghanistan. And he plays franchise T20 cricket all over the world.
Yeah, उसके respect के लिए. That's respect.
No,
Age का respect करते हुए यार उस क्या है अभी वो.
No, but it was lovely to watch him, guys. Seriously.
हाँ, अच्छा bowler तो है.
Yeah, and he's got such a beautiful action. You know, it's got this very nice side on. He twists himself and lifts his left leg up high, and it's lovely to watch. And had a great time at a T20 game, and I realized that I'm now I feel almost kind of disgusted when big name teams play. I find much more joy watching Afghanistan, Canada, where the seat costs like $500, man. Like the ticket costs $500, and you get like such wholesome fun.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. Soon we'll see Zimbabwe New Zealand final. So you can be happy about
New Zealand.
Oh, lovely.
Oh.
Lovely.
But PDB, to your point, this I think before we started, when we were looking at the schedule and we spoke about why are we playing so many games, right? But I think this is the tournament where the associate nations, as it were, have really shown up. Right? And there haven't been too many useless games, right?
No, they haven't.
Yeah,
even the games where the result has gone per book, there have been a few scary moments, I think, for the big sides. And it's just been lovely to watch.
So who caught your eye amongst the jerseys that were not available?
Amongst the jerseys that were not available? No, so I was looking for an Afghanistan jersey. My son and I were both looking for an Afghanistan jersey. He was lucky enough to get one in his size. I was not. Because they were all sold out. We will try and get a Zimbabwe jersey next. I think we don't have tickets for the game, but the trick is to go to the road outside the stadium on the match day, and you'll get a Zimbabwe jersey. Hopefully, we go early enough.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think this format also, to PDB's point, associate nations have really played well. Like they have they have put their best team forward. Not true for all teams,
That is true. That is true.
And these matches are genuinely exciting. So I think
Italy.
I feel उसने नेपाल को धो दिया पकड़ के. जबकि Nepal played really well against England. Really well.
Yep.
We all
Yeah.
were expecting कि नेपाल तो यार इटली को तो खत्म कर देगा. These the openers were they're brothers, right?
Yeah, I
भाई
think
वो
so.
खत्म कर दिया उन्होंने. क्या खेला. And by the way, if you watch that innings,
Yeah.
you will realize that they were not playing like fluke shots. It was a properly constructed innings because Nepal's bowling is not bad.
Yeah.
Um, and they won like, again, thumping victory to the extent that
Hmm.
Nepal 6th, 7th, 8th over के बाद उसको लगा वो खत्म हो गया match. There's nothing that I could do.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying is that these guys are playing genuinely well. तो T20 World Cup अगर इतनी frequently चलाते रहना है, I think make it more of a associate nations game than these other nations. क्योंकि associate या other nations तो कर नहीं रहे यार बॉल. इनको अगर ODI and Test से खेलना है, ठीक है खेलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Make T20 the real battleground for associate nations and conduct tournaments in ways in which they make money. They get to see a lot more,
No, and
financial support coming in.
and also it only goes to show the potential if you treat this like a serious tournament. In other words, you don't rig the tournament to make sure that India plays Pakistan and whatever else, right? I mean, if you
Correct.
treat it like a serious tournament, it could actually produce spectacular cricket, and that's the sad part.
Okay.
Like I will change this tournament format to, this format today is good because it's of course bringing a which is why we're talking about Zimbabwe and Afghanistan and Italy and Nepal. But I think we should make it more, no, not rigid to the extent कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान को खिलाना है या इंडिया साउथ अफ्रीका को देखना है and so on and so forth. Let the associate nations shine through. Like there is an opportunity for them to do well. तो
True.
उनके लिए बनाते हैं tournament. And it's a good place for them to earn money.
No, and also just think about it. If India were playing more games in Sri Lanka, for example, it changes the dynamic completely. No, I mean,
Yes.
so
Hey, just say that sentence again. You sounded deceptively like cricketing view right there. It changes the dynamics, no?
Yeah.
Shut up.
I'm telling you, is it PDP or PGK? साला cricketing view है कौन? यही सवाल है मेरे दिमाग में. Anyway, so for India's chances, I see there is a significant problem now with NRR, net run rate.
ठीक है.
So
Hmm.
I see,
No,
a
but-
thing
but-
to worries.
Like, I think Varun Murali is fuming away in one corner because we've rightly been critical of Gautam Gambhir, the test coach, right? What do you think of India's T20 setup? Like, I think in general, they've been playing the right way only, no?
They have.
As in,
Yeah,
Huh.
good setup. I
change
think the team is-
reagent has worked in this format, even though like we're not necessarily winning every
The-
game.
Yeah, the team is good.
Hmm.
Team is definitely good. The Indian T20 team is genuinely good.
Yeah, they
Hmm.
are.
Some of the things which we do, which makes our case easier, which is basically playing in our home ground in Narendra Modi Stadium. All of these things, they add to a
No,
lot
that is disadvantage.
to a random baggage that team is carrying because of these idiosyncrasies, right? Because of this political influence. Otherwise, if you just look at the team, that's a
Yeah.
very good team, genuinely good team.
And if you look at the cricket that's being played, it's obviously of a very high order. It's just that, of late the press conferences have become very tedious.
That is because of Sky. Okay.
It is because of Sky, absolutely.
Frequent minnow bashing to press conference also.
Yeah.
So
Like say,
Yeah.
every time Gautam Gambhir, like he does this in tests and in one days as well. This left hand, right hand idiosyncrasies, a lot of all rounders. अभी तक T20 में वो नहीं कर रहा था. He did it today. वो वाशी सुंदर को इसीलिए लेके आया वो, right? कोई जरूरत नहीं था यार ऐसा करना. Like
हाँ,
you
but-
don't do
but
every time.
you're saying that he played Washington Sundar because of the lefties in South Africa, or you're saying where he batted
played
Washington Sundar in
both.
the batting?
both
okay.
both. कि Washington Sundar playing instead of Akshar Patel because of left-handers.
Yeah,
ऐसा
yeah,
नहीं, उसके बाद right-handers ही बहुत है. Like Kristen
Yeah.
Stubb, like guys who played well, right?
Correct.
If you look at Deval Brevis, even
Correct.
Tristan Stubbs,
Yeah.
these are guys to whom Akshar will bowl well because his
Correct.
sliders are deadly. तो
Correct.
आप क्यों हटाया for no reason? And Akshar is vice captain. Second, वो साला
Oh,
वॉशिंगटन
Akshay
सुंदर
is
को
vice
आगे,
captain. Wait.
हाँ भाई, T20 वर्ल्ड कप, T20 में वाइस कैप्टन है वो, उसको बैठा दिया, अब बैठ जा भाई। एंड फिर वो वॉशिंगटन सुंदर, ठीक है, वॉशी बोल्ड वेल, नॉट दैट ही बोल्ड बैडली, ही बोल्ड वेल, एंड देन वॉशी को फिर से बैटिंग ऑर्डर में ऊपर भेज दिया बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, मतलब दिस इन्फैचुएशन फॉर दिस लेफ्ट एंड राइट हैंड कॉम्बिनेशन व्हिच गौतम गंभीर हैज इज जस्ट माइंड बॉगलिंग।
Yeah.
T20 में जरूरत नहीं है वो सब करना,
Hmm.
करो तुमको। बाय द वे, एवरीवेयर ही हैज डन दिस, I think it has failed. Varun Murali could find it a corner point. No, you know what? This left and right hand has worked in this particular setup on this particular day. अक्षय तृतीया के दिन ऐसे हुआ था।
12 साल
वो
में एक बार
अलग
अलाउड
है।
है।
12 साल में अलाउड है एक बार, ठीक है। वो अक्षय तृतीया के दिन वो गोल्ड रश में हो गया था, वो अलग बात है। बट जनरली ये सब चीजें नॉनसेंस यार। You play cricket on merit. You put batters on merit. कि यार ये अच्छा बैट्समैन है, ये नंबर 3 जाएगा तो जाएगा बॉस, इसमें कुछ कर नहीं सकते।
Yeah.
तो
No, but
ये
is it a bat first and win team, or can India chase and win also? Because of the way
India
they're
can
set
chase
up,
and win.
right?
Yeah,
India can chase and win because
Of
if you
course.
look at their middle order, which is Hardik, Rinku, and Shivam Dube, it's a
Yeah.
formidable chasing.
You're
team.
not even mentioning Sky, but yeah,
I'm not even mentioning.
Yeah. No, and
If I ऊपर में मतलब lower middle की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, जो chase करेगा end में.
also
It's formidable.
let's not forget that they've not had a single decent start in this tournament. I mean, their starts
Yeah.
have been shit in every single game. It's like not even yeah.
I don't know why, yaar.
Yeah.
Are we missing some opener? Should we change the opening combination? Maybe थोड़ा सा उसमें.
So considering
opening में left and right hand combination चला गया, वो गड़बड़ हो
this
गया.
is the problem. Correct.
यही problem है. वो एक
No, but
जगह
guys, what is happening with Abhishek Sharma? What do you think is going wrong, or is this just like par for the course?
Okay, man.
Par for
See,
the course,
this
यार,
is
वो आ जाएगा.
yeah. This is T20 cricket, no? Like
Yeah.
it will
भाजना
happen.
ही
Like,
उसको.
you're allowed to have failures. Which brings me to the question that since there are so many matches in Narendra Modi Stadium, should we bring Gill back? For these matches? Should Gill be open? Yes.
गिल तो EPL देख रहा है अभी, वो बिजी है अभी वो चला गया कहीं, तो वो घूम रहा है, फिर रहा है, चिल कर रहा है.
Hmm.
गिल अवेलेबल
Yeah.
नहीं है यार अभी, सॉरी.
No
Not
look,
available.
no look.
नो लुक. नो लुक. एक वो नो लुक को ठीक करना है. एक गौतम गंभीर हैज टू डू टू इन माय माइंड इस T20 टीम में दो चीज. एक तो वो फालतू इडियोसिंक्रेसीज मत लाओ कि यार हॉर्सेस फॉर कोर्सेस करके इसको हर्षित राणा को लेकर आ जाऊंगा आर्शदीप की जगह, ऑल ऑफ दैट नॉनसेंस, वो सब मत करो. लेट इट बी. एंड सेकंड, ये लेफ्ट हैंड के पीछे मत पड़ो. तुम बस रहने दो इस टीम को. यू गॉट अ गुड बंच ऑफ पीपल. उसके साथ ये हार्दिक पांड्या को थोड़ा सा क्लास लगा दो. क्या तुमको नो लुक करने के लिए नहीं है? तुम ऑरा फार्मिंग नहीं कर रहे हो ना. तुम्हारा काम ना वहां पे ऑरा फार्मिंग नहीं है. तुम आराम से खेलो क्रिकेट. तुम क्रिकेट को रेस्पेक्ट करो, खेलो. Yeah, one final thoughts I have. I wanted to support South Africa today, but I want to go on record.
Mr. Mohan.
But Mohan Krishnamurthy pushed me to not support South Africa. But I'm going back again and I'm saying I'm genuinely happy South Africa won.
Of course,
So
of
yeah,
course,
I'm genuinely happy.
of course.
Um,
So, yeah.
yeah.
The result
the-
that the tournament needed has meant that now anything can happen, right? Like, and we don't have a clear winner.
No,
Anything
they-
can happen, including bits and pieces might come up with an episode next week.
Next
also.
week,
Next week,
Who knows?
exactly.
Yeah.
But
We might come back next week and say and shout praises about Hardik Pandya. That was
Yeah,
and
This is-
and Gautam Gambhir. That's how we are.
yeah. The betters have put odds of 1:8 against both of these happening simultaneously, but chalo, theek hai.
the only game that will make me feel truly tormented about the result would be an India-England final.
Why?
Because I don't want either team to win.
You want
man.
both teams to lose.
Yeah, of course. Of course.
This is nice. Maybe Mr. Modi can come and keep the trophy in his cabinet.
Or at least Mr.
Where will the
Mohan.
finals
Allah
have-
for the Asia Cup.
In which tour? So Pakistan is definitely not playing the finals, right? The finals तो नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम में होना है. यही है ना?
No,
हाँ, तो semi.
I think if Pakistan makes it to the final, then they will obviously play it in Sri Lanka.
वो तो होगा ही नहीं. Which is more important? In the order of probabilistic importance, which is more important? नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम में फाइनल होना कि पाकिस्तान को फाइनल में लेके आना? Very important question, guys. Think about it. क्योंकि एक में पैसा है, एक में मोदी जी का ऑरा फार्मिंग है. तो क्या पकड़ोगे दोस्त? बड़ा मुश्किल सवाल है दोस्तों.
Boy.
Tough.
What do you
Tough,
want
tough.
as ICC and BCCI? क्या चाहिए
हाँ.
तुमको? मोदी के स्टेडियम में फाइनल की पाकिस्तान के साथ फाइनल?
No, but I love how you said ICC and BCCI as though those are two separate things. No, that is beautiful.
ICC and ICC BCCI कर दिया मैंने, एक साथ ही कर दिया एक बारी. वो CC इधर
No,
उधर.
but Iman, I think now the thing that they will come up with is put both together. Because if we can play the final in Narendra Modi Stadium and the opposition is Pakistan, it is immovable object versus irresistible force. India always lose in Ahmedabad, but always win against Pakistan. So what will
Oh
happen?
wow.
Wow.
We have to test this.
वो
Beautiful.
तो हो ही नहीं पाएगा क्योंकि अभी देखो अगर ऐसा हो गया पाकिस्तान और इंडिया का भिड़ गया तो ट्रम्प आएगा. ट्रम्प खोल देगा वहां पे क्योंकि सिर्फ तेल है. Goes back to the first tweet. खोदेगा उसको. वो ग्राउंड गया नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएगा. बॉस खोल देगा उसको बैठ के ट्रम्प. क्यों ट्रम्प आ जाएगा इंडिया पाकिस्तान आ गया. नहीं बॉयज नो गाइस स्टैटिक लगाऊंगा तुम पे. यहाँ पे तेल है तेल दो मेरे को. आ जाएगा वो.
No son of the soil, only son of the oil.
Oil. Correct.
All right. So
Okay,
till
guys.
that glorious day comes. This has
Yes.
been a quick episode of Bits and Pieces.
Yes.
Hopefully we'll be back soon again. Until then, this is Tony, Iman, and Prashant saying bye. Say bye.
Bye.
guys.
Bye guys. Keep aura farming no loop करते रहना. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
TV umpire to director, we have a player review. Can we rock and roll, please?